If we want to get the big picture in the Pacific Ocean, we have to know how many years the US spent in order to create two big structures at the geopolitical level. And I mean with that, firstly, the Quad, you know, Australia, India, Japan, and United States. So it's a structure which is present um, in this area since 2007, but in reality, we can say that it's officially effective in 2017. So the idea is to combine this Quad with the AUKUS, which is a new superstructure since 2021. And we have in this new structure Australia, the United Kingdom, and of course the United States. So we can imagine the combination of the both. It's quite easy because in fact we have three countries in one and four on the other one, but we have also two common countries. So the idea is to have a big framework on the chessboard of the Pacific Ocean in order to fight against China and its willingness of expansion. So if we put all those countries together, especially the US, Australia, Japan, and India with the United Kingdom, we can imagine, because you have in mind that the United Kingdom is only in Europe, but you know that many islands are in fact British in the Pacific Ocean. So the idea is to be together, has two alliances for the same target, the control of this area, which is very dangerous due to the impact of China. And if we imagine that for those structures, we can find also other countries which are compatible, like Philippines and also South Korea. So we can imagine that it's a good position to have something which is efficient against the war of China, because in reality we are preparing the Cold War II between the US and China, and not anymore the Soviet Union, in this area, in the Pacific Ocean, and it's very important for this century to be ready for that.